This is epic. Oh, tight corner.
I didn't put it in gear properly and it was in neutral and I almost dropped the bike.
Today, I want to go to this observatory. I'm not going to try and pronounce it because I will not do it justice. And I'm all the way over here in Porto. If I hit directions, it says an hour and a half. But I always go no tolls, no highways because I want to enjoy the ride. So now it says 2 hours, or just short of 2 hours. Spoiler alert, to get to this location, because I really want to see this awesome view, it takes me a hell of a lot than 2 hours. Okay, let's get going. Gonna ride along the Douro River today and see how it goes. See how far we get. I'd love to get to the observatory, but that's a couple of hours away, so I don't know if we're gonna get that far. Let's see. Oh, we need fuel. Can't see around that corner because of the stupid van. We're good. And that's clearly a red, and he's clearly gone through. We're going to head down to the river, and then we will follow it all across to see how far we can go. It's a great ride along there. And there is the north side of the river, and there is the south side. I've only ever done the north side, so if we get far enough, what we can do is we can go along the north side, and then on the way back, rather than come back the same way, we can come back along the south side. Don't know if you saw that on camera, but a bug just hit my visor. Always have the visor down. Look at the queue to get on the old trams. And that's a really nice McDonald's.
Yes, now I can get some fuel. I do find it quite odd sometimes. I have to think, turn off my music, take off my gloves, then open the tank. And then also in Portugal, you pay before, so I have to try and calculate in my head how much fuel I want. And I find that a bit strange rather than just filling it up and then just paying at the end. Sometimes I can go in and ask them, can I just fill up and pay at the end? And they're usually quite good as long as I'm not wearing my helmet.
Okay, we want, what's the difference? I don't know. E5, E5. Just go E5. I'm guessing it's about 14 euros or something. Oh, well, almost 15, okay. We're going to be stopping soon. We'll leave it there. I don't need it too full. Okay. Done. Gloves I'll leave here. Take my phone in and go and pay now. Okay. 15.75. Number 2. 72 kilometers to go, an hour and a half. Okay. Oh! Shit! So risky. I went down here on the left to look at the boats. There's some awesome yachts down there. But I had to stop at this stop sign on the way up, and it was quite a hill. I don't know if you can see, but wow, that was a bit tricky. Raw. Thank you.
Assim ou assim?
Vertical, yes, thank you.
Riding around on 2 wheels is a great way to make new friends. Even if you don't speak the same language, you just make it work. It's awesome. And I made new friends, so that was great. Thank you for the awesome photos.
525.
500?
Sim, sim, sim.
Ah,
Sim.
okay. That's
Primeira,
good.
esta é a segunda.
Ah, it's your second.
E a minha primeira foi uma 125.
Ah, I see. Okay, okay, cool. Muito prazer.
Tá, obrigado.
Obrigado. I think we're going to go across the bridge. Yay! Oh. Cool. I have to stop and take a photo, but I can't.
Such a beautiful view, really, really is. I mean, I never run out of things to see, but must keep my eyes on the road as well at the same time. At this point, I think the views are getting even better and better, but what I find out is they get even better. Like, really, really awesome.
Cool bridge. What a view. Wow. Restaurant up there, nice. Well, nice viewpoint, we get that on the way back. I think we're going right here, aren't we? I think that's cows on the road. Whoa, what a view! This is epic. Oh, tight corner. Not too bad, no, that was right. What a view. Wind farms. Oh, I hope I can get a photo next to a wind farm. They look great.
My bike has the stock exhaust. I don't think it sounds loud, but when it's so peaceful around, it does actually sound quite loud. What do you think?
Oh, that got cold real quick. Don't know how high we are, but it's cold now. Whew. Been hot this whole journey. Now I actually feel like putting a jumper on, but I don't have one. Okay, it looks a bit steep, but let's go for it. People live here, that's awesome. What a view. Oh god, a bit of vertigo. And that's the viewpoint up ahead.
I think we made it. We made it to the viewpoint. Let's go check it out.
There's the bike. This is the walkway. Oh, I'm guessing people ride down this road and go down there. That could be quite cool. Let's go investigate. And I might do the same, because oh, there's two. Okay, this looks strange. There's a gate, but it's open. Guessing once it might have been paid, but not anymore. I think I could bring the bike down here for some photos. They do have a chairlift for accessibility, which is cool. And there's another one down there, which we'll go to in a minute. And you can get down to it by bike as well, but I don't know if I'm brave enough. Whoa, what a view. Whew. Wow, and you can see the river down there. So I'm guessing I can ride to this one where I was standing, but also I'm guessing I could ride to that one and take some photos, but I don't think there's any need riding to that one. Let me just take some photos as we're here, put it in RAW. Should do some panoramic ones as well though, I think. Let me see. Panoramic. So you do panoramic. My hand always drops towards the end. Wow. Got it. Here. Oh, loads of bikers are coming. Look. Oh shit, I almost dropped the camera. Loads of bikers. We've got some friends. Awesome. Yay. Take a selfie and then we're gonna make some friends. These bikers came along. Look at these bikes. Amazing. Look at that one. That's a Harley. Wow, look at that back wheel. Size of that. Wow, that is awesome. Oh, and some quad bikes. Look at these. And Transalp. Hello. How cool. And then there's mine. My baby and some more people arriving. Quad bike. Nice. BMW. Another BMW. And a quad bike over there. Oh, they're going to take photos all the way in. I should have maybe done the same. Okay, let's get one last photo before we head back of all the bikes. Cool. Oh my god, chickens! Ducks, chickens, ducks. God, this is well sketchy. It's well sandy. Oh. That was sketchy. Did not like that. It's kind of off-roading, but not off-roading. It's okay, I like it that I survived. Don't want to go the wrong way. That was embarrassing. So I was in neutral, and so when I tried to turn the corner, the bike almost dropped and I had to kick it back up. Always check that you're in gear. I usually ride so slowly, but for some reason on the way back now, I don't know, the bike just feels so good. I feel one with the bike. I'm still riding within my abilities, but just enjoying the flow a lot more. I just feel the bike feels better. Go over to your own side of the road. I feel the bike feels better, sounds better, and I feel like, I guess because I've done more kilometers with it, I feel I'm getting used to it more. I'm by no means an expert, I'm still a beginner rider, but starting to enjoy it more and more. Changed the camera battery, got an hour to go. Why can't I clip the camera on, let's have a quick snack and a drink and then enjoy the last hour. The camera is not on. Why is it not on? Oh, why is that not clipping on? What is going on? Is it not in the case properly? No, it's not. What an idiot. There we go, that clipped on better. Okay, quick snack.
Why is the ride back never as fun as the ride there? Now we're coming into Porto. I see Porto in the distance. Welcome home. I can squeeze through here. No, I can't. That's a great place to park. Double parking. Genius. Okay, approaching home. Here's the garage, and I've got a button on my arm to open it. I feel like Iron Man. It works. Yes, there we go. Let's adjust into the dark car park, and let's plug up and do our closing lights.
That was, I think, my longest and best ride. There's some questionable moments, but it was good. And I think now I need to shower, go relax. It's good fun. It was probably 5 hours of riding and then a slight break for photos here and there, and then a middle break in the middle. But let me know what you thought of this video, and let me know what else you would like me to film.